पैसे सेव करना इज एन आर्ट और ये हमें स्टूडेंट लाइफ में सबसे ज्यादा सीखने को मिलती है। जब तुम कॉलेज में होते हो तुम्हारे पास एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए बहुत कुछ होता है और जब आप किसी आईआईटीज में हो तो भाई साहब कभी मन करता है पब में जाके ठुमके लगा दो, 4-5 लड़कियों को एक साथ डेट पे लेके चला जाऊं, पूरी डे को मैं सलीम भाई से माइक लेके 2-4 गाने मैं ही गा दूं, अपनी गियर वाली सेकंड हैंड बाईसाइकिल बेच कर टेस्ला कार ही ले आओ, ये कर लो वो कर लो, ऐसे 100 चीजें ज़हन में आती है। ये लाइफ का वो पड़ाव है जिसमें आपको करियर से रिलेटेड स्किल्स के साथ साथ कैसे पैसे बनाए जाते हैं और कैसे पैसे सेव किए जाते हैं ये स्किल भी सीखना पड़ता है, दैट टू विद लिमिटेड मनी एंड लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज। हाँ, अगर आपके पेरेंट्स अमीर हैं या अगर कोई कहता है
Bro, let's book a cab to New York. We'll go party, man.
तो आप उनके पैसे शौकिया तरीके से उड़ा सकते हो, पर सबकी लाइफ एक जैसी हो ये जरूरी नहीं है।
वो चल मरीन ड्राइव घूम के आते हैं, क्या सेक्सी मौसम हो रहा है।
यार काम है मुझे काफी बाद में जाता है।
ब्रो दुबई घूमने चलना है क्या? अल्लाह बीबी ब्रो, अपन जाएंगे मस्त बुर्ज खलीफा पे डिनर करके आते हैं।
प्रोजेक्ट करना है यार, बाद में जाता हूँ।
अरे हैप्पी बर्थडे मेरे भाई, कहाँ है? चल पार्टी करते हैं, आजा।
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
So just to give you a bit of my background, so my father is a farmer by profession and my mother is a homemaker. And since childhood, I did not really get a good support from my father, neither financially nor emotionally. And in a nutshell, my childhood was super abusive. Well, in life, most of the things are not in our hands, right?
But my mom is a best mom. She took care of me single-handedly and she made me this big. Love you, mom.
Okay, back to the story. तो लाइफ में क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, ये सारे डिसीजंस मुझे खुद लेने पड़ते थे शुरू से ही। तो कभी डिसीजंस सही हो जाते तो कभी गलत। I did not have any option but to take all the responsibilities at a very young age. बस एक चीज क्लियर थी कि मुझे घर से पैसे नहीं लेना है चाहे जो हो जाए, पर उसके साथ साथ मैं अपने सपनों के साथ समझौता नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि मुझे बड़े सपने देखने का बड़ा शौक है।
I started doing freelancing in design while doing my bachelor's. I did design internships to develop my skills and understanding for a year. तो मैंने थोड़ी सी सेविंग्स कर ली and parallelly I was preparing myself to face the world. पर जब IIT बॉम्बे से कॉल आया to join MDiss in industrial design.
Hello, I'm calling from IIT Bombay. आप मुंबई आ रहे हो?
It was like my dream came true. तो मैंने बिना सोचे पहले सेमेस्टर की फीस भर दी जो 60,000 के आसपास थी। Now to be honest, 60,000 is a big amount for a 22-year-old kid who's trying to stand on his feet financially. At least for me, it was. I was super excited. Called my friends in Mumbai that I'm coming to Mumbai.
When I joined IIT, I was also working as a teaching assistant with my professors at IIT, and I was also getting TA money around 12K. And believe me or not, my first reaction was, wow यार यहाँ पे पढ़ने के पैसे मिल रहे। Now the first few months were super tight. I was in a complete new design studio environment where students from all different departments, designers, architects, engineers, were there to study design. And I was in a transition to getting used to it, being a field engineer.
I also started enjoying being in Mumbai as it has always been my dream city to be in. Along with studies, I started going out with friends who travel in locals, got a second-hand geared cycle from my senior to travel inside and outside campus to save money. But 4-5 months passed by and I had to pay the next semester fee to continue my study. और मेरी अब तक की सेविंग जो मेरे टीए मनी से आई थी was not good enough and it was a high time to take action to survive in IIT.
Friends. Make friends and make good friends with whom you can share all your ups and downs. You can listen to their stories because everyone has a story to tell which you're not aware of. They can come together and support you whenever you need.
इसको देखो।
And you can stand with them whenever they need. And life is full of roller coaster experience and nobody knows what would happen next. I made really good friends at IIT, which I've mentioned in my previous videos.
और भाई क्या भोग रहा है तेरा लंडा आजकल?
I was in shortage of 12K to pay my fees. I asked my 4-5 friends if I can borrow some money and each contributed 3-4K instantly. I paid my fees finally. Now I had a buffer of one more semester to plan out my financial things. I also had built a good network around design and I started taking short freelance design projects apart from my studies and TA work.
As I did not have any backup, I was the backup.
Months passed by and I realized my laptop started giving up. as I was using it from past 7 years. It was a high time I need to upgrade it, and it would make me work more efficiently. In design, if your files doesn't get saved after working for long hours, you are fucked. I mentally prepared myself to buy a new gaming laptop, which can survive multiple design tasks parallelly.
Rendering, 3D modeling, presentation, and music.
I bought a new Asus gaming laptop and I paid around 70k for it. It was a good investment.
लैपटॉप तो खरीद लिया, but what about my next semester fees?
I again reached out to my friends and borrowed some money to pay my semester fee. As I was short with 12 to 15k and each contributed around 4 to 6k, and उस semester भी पैसों का जुगाड़ हो गया and I was back with my survival zone.
I increased my freelance gig to support my education and savings, and I was feeling much more confident with my design skills by then. I repaid them in a couple of months, but I got offered to repay it as I trust on my skills and what I can do with my skills. So it's really important to trust your skills, and it's really important to make good friends whom you can vibe with. जो इक्वली बकचोद हो, but most importantly जरूरत के टाइम पे तुम्हें support भी कर सकते. And most importantly, trust yourself and your skills. And aim high. Peace out.
बोल भी नहीं पीता रहेगा मैं तेरी माँ की धूप आइला जादू Hey guys, this is Hrithik Roshan.